Hey everybody, my name is Eisha. I'm a second year student at UC Irvine, and I'm here to show you my Codologie project and then my Buildologie project. So we'll go ahead and start off with my Codologie project. Here what I have is just Raspberry Pi with a couple of male to female jumper cables, some 220 ohm resistors, and I have 3 LEDs. And what I wanted to do with my project is have some way that you can interact with a little window to get these different lights to pop up at different times. So up here I have this this T-Kinter window with a bunch of buttons on it that say red, blue, green, yellow, purple, light blue, and then there's this dance option and then clear LEDs. Over here is my code. So we have this setup function, and what this does is it sets up all the technicals for the Raspberry Pi and the different pins and all of that stuff. Then we have this class here that establishes the GUI, which stands for the Graphical User Interface, and so that's what this window is. So it just makes it pretty and it's easy for everyone to kind of interact with the program. And then here are my different functions. So each of these refers to a button. So this function is assigned to this blue button, and so when you click on it, it'll make the blue light appear. And yeah, so if I go ahead and interact with my window, and if you look here, you see when I click red, the red light goes on. If you click blue, the blue one goes on. If you click green, the green one goes on. If you click purple, the red and blue go on, because those two colors mixed make purple. If you click yellow, the red and the green light goes on, and if you click on light blue, then blue and green will go on. And then you can also click on the dance button, and that will go ahead and make the lights dance for roughly 5 seconds. And then if you have the light on and you want to turn it off, you can go ahead and click on clear LEDs, and they'll turn everything off. So that's my Codologie project. Hello everyone again. My name is Eisha Jones. I'm a second year student at UC Irvine. This is my Buildologie project that I have here. So essentially what I just wanted to do with this was make a robot that spun in circles, but that was boring, so I wanted to make it a little more interesting. So what I did was I added a color sensor, and depending on what colors it senses, it performs in different ways. So here we have the NXT base module powered by some batteries, and attached is a color sensor and 2 motors with wheels on them, so that allows it to spin in circles. And then in the back we have this little stabilizer, and that just keeps it level since there's only 2 wheels. So I'll go ahead and give a demo of this real quick on the table. There's green, so I'll go ahead and make a lot of green here. And then we'll have some red as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn this on and put it in the middle. I'll go ahead and let this run. You can see when it gets to the yellow, it goes slow. When it gets to the red, it should stop, but it isn't. So on the red, it actually stops for just a short second, but then keeps on going. And then when it hits the green, it goes fast for a more consistent period of time. And yep, so that's it.
Good. Any question for him?
No. Oh.
Yes.
Hi.
How did you calibrate that to work?
Calibrate what part of it? The sensing the colors?
Mm-hmm.
So I did it with the programming thing for it's like the Lego NXT environment, the Mindstorm program, and it gives you different options that allow you to change the color range, so you can interact with different colors. Yes.
Why is this broken? And
Why is what broken?
here.
It fell. Don't tell me.
And what blocks did you use to program?
What blocks? I used the switch block, so that gives you the options for the different colors. And then I used the move block, which allows you to move the wheels. Yes.
How many tries did you have to do over and over again?
Well, I had never used the Mindstorm programming environment, so it took me a couple tries to get used to all the blocks and putting it all together.
Can you do more colors?
Yeah, so if I wanted to, I could add more colors. I could do black. I could have it interact with the white. I would also add blue. Yes.
How come you only use 2 wheels?
I thought it'd be just the easiest because generally the less moving parts you have, the easier it's going to be to work with. So you're able to achieve the spinning with 2 wheels. Yes.
How long did this whole thing take you?
This one took me probably 2 days of being here, and then this one probably took me about 2 hours.
If you had more time, what would you add to it?
I would add more colors. Have it maybe go in different directions, something like that.
Good job, guys. Those are really great questions. I love it. All right, good. So our class over.